In this video, I'm going to be going over how to add HTML code in WordPress step by step. Adding HTML code in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have HTML code added to your WordPress site. Let's get started. To start, I'm in the WordPress dashboard. Click Pages or Post in the left side menu. The process is the same for adding an HTML code for both. I'll click Pages. Next, click Edit under the page you want to add the HTML code for. Next, find where you want to add the HTML code. Click the plus icon. In the search bar, type in Custom HTML. Select it. Next, I'll copy the HTML code I want to add to the page. I'm going to add in a table to the page. Once it is added, you'll see Preview. You can click this to easily preview it. Next, click the Update button at the top to save your changes. I'll click the View Page icon to preview my site. I'll scroll down on the page where I added the HTML code. You'll see the table now showing. Now let's say you want to add an HTML code to a widget. From the WordPress dashboard, hover over the Appearance tab in the left side menu. Click Widgets. Next, click into the widget area where you want to add the HTML code. Click the plus icon that appears. You can also click the plus icon found at the top as well. I'll click the plus icon. In the search bar, type in Custom HTML. Select Custom HTML. I'll paste in the HTML code I've copied for the table I previously input in the page. Once it is added, you'll see Preview. You can click this to easily preview it. Click the Update button to save your changes. I'm now going to go to a blog post as this widget area is for a sidebar. You'll see the table now showing. That is how to add HTML code in WordPress. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.